During the actual workshop, we ran some reports, sent them to clients. The feedback was really, really positive. And I'd scheduled, bear in mind, this was on the lead up to Christmas, so I scheduled one meeting in before Christmas. And that particular meeting went really, really well. And at the end of the meeting, we made an offer to the client to work with us on a deeper level. And the additional fee was probably 2 times what he was already paying with us. And he agreed there and then on the spot, yeah, let's go ahead, let's get that done. And I've got some probably 3 or 4 other meetings already booked in the diary to go through these kind of plans and action plans with our clients.
I did a couple of short videos, and as a result of, I think I sent out 4 videos initially. 3 of the videos were opened the same day, and of the 3 videos, 3 people actually picked up and wanted to meet with me to plan for the future of the business. So it was actually doing something relatively simple. It wasn't time consuming to basically get you in front of mind with your customers, with your clients, to actually help them improve.
I've now got more team members on board, and I'm able to give them clarity tasks where they can go and look at these things themselves. One of the team members came in and said, "Carl, I've been looking and I think this client will be perfect for clarity. Can we have 20 minutes to sit down and discuss it?" And that's never happened before, and that was really, really good. And it's just really given us that structure to find those opportunities to have deeper conversations with our clients and work with them at a better and a deeper level to help them improve their results.
We've got reports out to clients, we have meetings off the back of it, and we've signed up a couple of clients already. All said, this is great, this is exactly what we're looking for, this is exactly what we need. So that's kind of given us great confidence and clarity in the whole process as well, that, you know, this is what our clients are exactly what we're looking for. You know, we've seen many times when we've been talking to clients about this, that the faces just sort of light up and they're smiling and it's like, this is brilliant. So that's given us a lot of confidence.